Guys, just a quick demo on the J-160E John Lennon replica guitar. I just this morning changed the stock tuners to a set of GFS tuners that I had lying around, and I changed the plastic saddle to a tusk saddle. There was a couple of shims underneath there. It didn't work at first, so I put them back under there. It sounds pretty good now, so I'm just going to run through a couple of chords for you. I'm not going to do anything fancy. I don't play anything fancy, to be honest with you. So, doesn't have a lot of volume, this guitar. It's a little mellower, softer. These are still these stock strings too, so I didn't change them yet. A little bit of high buzz around the E and the B strings, but it's okay. I'll get somebody who knows what they're doing to fix it up properly.